Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on YouTube history on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for us list like this, and all you have to do now, so just click here on settings, then it's going to take here in this window, then you just click here on sync here, and it's going to take here in this window, then you just go down here and you click here on Google activity controls here, then it's going to take here in this window. Then all you have to do now, just go down and you come here to say all activity controls, and it's going to take here in this window. Then you just go down here and you keep going down to find YouTube history here. You will click here on turn on, and it's going to take you here, and you just go down and you click here on turn on here, and it's going to turn on video on your Google Chrome app. Like you see now, it's turned on. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.